and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to arrange page numbers in Microsoft Word. So first, open your Word document, then go to the Insert tab, Page Numbers, and select Top of Page, Bottom of Page, Page Margins, or Current Position. So let's select Bottom of Page, then select one of these styles. So let's select So let's select this one, for example. Just click on it, then click on Close Header and Footer. And now the page numbers have been applied. Now to start numbering from a specific page, just let's remove the page numbers first. Then click on Close Header. To start numbering from a specific page, so let's say you want to start numbering from the second page, just go to the first page and go to the Layout tab, click on Breaks, then select Next Page. Now go to the second page and double-click on the footer and select or uncheck the link to previous and close the header and footer. Then go to the Insert tab, Page Number, and select a style. So let's select this one. And that's it. Now to start the numbering from 1, just right-click on the number and select Format Page Numbers from the drop-down menu. Select Start At and enter 1. Then hit OK. And once you're done, just click on Close Header and Footer in the Design tab. You can also change the font and the style of the page numbers. Just double-click on the footer, then go to the Home tab and select a size and the font and the size. And that's it. Go back to Design again and click on Close Header, or just double-click outside of the footer. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.